Introducing the Rockville MTRAY, a clamp-on utility shelf and tray designed for any microphone stand, laptop stand, drum hardware stand, or speaker stand. Transform your musical performance, mobile DJ, and live sound setups with this versatile accessory. With tray dimensions of 9.7 inches by 7.3 inches, the MTRAY offers a spacious platform for your small accessories. Its compatibility with any mic stand and various laptop stands, drum hardware, and speaker stands makes it a must-have addition to your gear arsenal. But that's not all. Equipped with EVA foam to prevent items from sliding around while on the tray and a raised lip around the edges, the MTRAY ensures your gear stays secure during performances and recording sessions. Worried about weight? Fear not. The MTRAY boasts a high load capacity of 15 pounds, making it suitable for a variety of items like interfaces, headphone amplifiers, small mixers, MIDI interfaces, small synthesizers, etc. Versatility is at the heart of the MTRAY, with compatibility ranging from pole diameters of 0.39 inches to 1.57 inches or 10 millimeters to 40 millimeters. It easily clamps onto microphone stands, music stands, speaker stands, and more. Imagine a vocal recording studio setup where the MTRAY holds your essential recording tools, or a guitarist performance station with quick access to capos and picks. For podcasters, it becomes a compact control center, and for DJs, a convenient space for small mixers, wireless microphone transmitters, etc. In a drum setup, you can have the MTRAY attached to the hi-hat hardware or other hardware and place your metronome, line mixer, or headphone amp on the tray, and as a keyboardist, the MTRAY can become a dedicated space for MIDI controllers, pedals and gear effects, mini synths, and accessories. Designed with high-strength plastic for durability and portability, the MTRAY is the go-to choice for musicians on the move. Worried about rust or wear? Fret not. We chose high-strength plastic over metal for a lighter weight and long-lasting reliability. And when it comes to setup, it couldn't be easier. The MTRAY clamps and detaches in seconds with a simple turn of a knob. So whether you're on the stage, in the studio, or at a rehearsal space, the Rockville MTRAY is your perfect companion for keeping everything within arm's reach. So if you're looking for a 9.7 inches by 7.3 inches clamp-on utility shelf tray for any microphone stand, laptop stand, drum hardware stand, speaker stand, or more, look no further than the MTRAY from Rockville.